morning, guys. I am heading to the OB for another appointment. I am 37 weeks and today's Thursday. Like 4 days. So they said the last appointment that they're gonna check me today. So they better check me today. So yeah, let's go see if there is any update to give you guys. Cross my fingers. I feel so big and so ready to pop. They also are supposed to give me my Group B strep results and my thyroid results because they drew my blood the last time I was there. I just got done with my doctor's appointment. I waited in the waiting room for over an hour before they called me back, which does not usually happen. So that was kind of annoying. So my routine before I go to the doctor, because I know that I'm going to have to pee in a cup, is I wake up and then I drink a whole bunch of water and then I drink my coffee so that by the time I get there, hopefully I have to pee. Well, that's great when they call me back right away, but when they make me wait for an hour in the waiting room, I had to pee so bad. So they checked me, thank goodness, and I have progressed to 2 centimeters. That's exciting. My GBS test came back positive, which I knew it would because it was last time. No big deal. I just have to go in and be hooked up to an antibiotic when I start to go into labor. So no big deal there. I figured I would. My thyroid levels came back looking fairly normal-ish, which is also good. And then the last thing. Oh, so for the last 3 days, I've been incredibly busy and I haven't felt baby move like he normally does. And I promise you, he has not been moving like he normally does, which always sends me into a panic. So I told her today that he has not been moving as much. He has been moving, but not as much. And she said, well, we should probably hook you up to the monitors just to make sure everything's okay. Well, she had checked me right before that. And then they hooked me up to the monitors. He literally was, well, not literally, he was doing cartwheels the entire time he was hooked up to the monitor. So she probably thinks that I'm crazy and I'm lying, but I wasn't. Like, he had not moved. I hadn't felt him move. I woke up this morning, hadn't felt him move all the way up until the appointment. I think it was because they checked me, and he has not stopped moving since. He's been doing cartwheels in my belly, but I'm not complaining. I'm so happy he's moving. So happy. But yeah, that's good news. I have progressed, baby. Things are going places. So I have an appointment next week, and we will see if I go into labor before that. I'm going to go up to the apartment now, check on my babies, grab them, and we are going to do something really cool. It's Mama. Look at your boots, how cute you are. Are you ready to go? Hi, baby. Where are we going?
The park.
We're going to the park? What is that? You want to take the umbrella? Say umbrella.
Umbrella.
Can you walk around? Let me see your boots. Let me see you walk around in your boots. You're so cute. We are heading to Savannah, Georgia. Randomly, unexpectedly, but we placed an order for a swivel gliding rocking chair from Target, and it was out of stock online, so it couldn't be shipped to our door, and the closest place to get it is Savannah, Georgia, which actually isn't that far away from us. It's like an hour and a half or an hour and 45 minutes, so not a huge deal. And we figured it would make for a fun little day trip. We're getting a way later start. It's 12 o'clock and we'd meant to go right after my doctor's appointment, but that didn't happen. I've never been to Savannah, Georgia, and I'm so excited to see it. I've heard it's very similar to Charleston, but different. Have you ever been to Savannah?
Yeah, but I think I was in middle school.
Oh, then this will be really fun.
I was wandering round town in a city of gold when I was struck by luck 'cause I found you sitting all alone, looking down your phone like a restless soul.
We successfully went to Target and picked up our rocking chair. It is back there. And then we drove on over to Bass Pro Shop to show Emmy the fish. And they didn't have any fish. The tank was under renovation, of course. So we showed her all the fake animals and she had a great time. But now it is pouring down rain.
She told us to bring our umbrella.
She did, and Emmy was prepared. She wanted to bring the umbrella and she wore her rain boots. Driving for like 45 minutes, have an hour left to drive, and we've stopped and got McDonald's because it is $1 any size season at McDonald's for coffee. We had a great time in Savannah, but I've got to say, I think I like Charleston better. Charleston is bigger, and there's just various reasons why I like it better, but Savannah did have some really pretty parks and trees. I will give it that. But we are on our way home. Emmy has had it, and I'm feeling really tired as well. So it'll be nice to get home, but it's been a really fun day. We have been discussing baby names, and I think we have picked, that sounds right, we have picked a first name. We are still discussing a middle name. We're still discussing the middle name. But I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys asking if/when we're doing the name reveal. And I am not gonna do a name reveal in video form. I'm going to announce his name probably on Instagram first after he is born. So, sorry, but you're gonna have to wait in suspense just a little bit longer. But I really like his first name. I think it's super cute. We just need to pick a middle name now. All right, your stuff's all ready for you to go night-night. All right, let's get in. Attaboy. You did it! That's the hard part.
Yeah.
This is what our whole day has been centered around. getting this dang chair. I'm glad I wasn't the one that had to take it up the stairs. Yay! So pretty. Andrew just brought the chair up from the car. He said the base was 90 pounds and the top part was like 10 pounds. And he had to carry it up a whole bunch of stairs. But I'm getting baby's Poppy. And here's the chair. And now we're ready to have a baby. This was seriously the last thing that we needed. Now we have it and we are ready to have this baby. Any day would be great. We ended up putting it on my side of the bed. I sleep on this side of the bed. It totally doesn't fit the space as well as I thought it was going to. And it does kind of cut into the entrance to the bathroom, but we really don't have another solution. And I think it's just gonna make nighttime feedings so much easier. So very happy with this chair. It's identical to the one that Emmy has in her room actually. I am wrapping up the vlog here. I am beat from today. I have gone nonstop. I woke up this morning, went straight to the doctor. Took way longer than it was supposed to do at the doctor. Then as soon as I came home, we got right in the car and drove to Savannah and had a very fun day. It was a very fun day. And we are home now at like 8, I don't know what time is it, 8:30. Emmy just went down to bed and I'm ready to go to bed myself, but I am actually going to get in my own bed and edit a video because I love you guys and I want to get that out tomorrow. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to go make myself a little snack and then get hustling, but I love this chair. I'm so happy about this chair. And that just means that I am that much closer to baby boy. 2 centimeters, dilated. It could be any day now, but it also could be 3 weeks from now. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any baby watch videos. Coming up, make sure you are following us on Instagram as well at allie_gooch, because that is where I will update you first thing as soon as I go into labor. But I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Little